Okay, today I will be reviewing the Crosman Stinger Defender Airsoft package. It comes with the Crosman Stinger S32P shotgun and the Crosman Stinger P36 pistol. A speed loader comes in handy when you're in an intense war. A Crosman pistol holster and a pack of 500 BBs. Now, the shotgun, the Stinger, is 350 FPS. Pretty good. It busts right through cardboard, which I will show you. And clip isn't very big, so I would recommend getting a larger clip and maybe a scope because it doesn't have a lot of aiming. So right now I'll show you how accurate the shotgun is. So here we go. Okay, now let's go see the target. Okay, as you can see, it's very accurate and very high velocity. As you can see, it went straight through the cardboard and out the back. So now I'll show you the pistol. The pistol is good. It has a pretty good clip. The clip only holds about 17 maybe, but it's a pretty good clip. Heavy duty gun. So I think it's pretty good. Not very high velocity, I think about 200, but still a good gun. Let's see how accurate it is. Okay, let's see. As you can see, it just kind of dents in places, like here and here and here. But it's accurate, but again, not as high velocity. But still a great gun for backup. Now the speed loader is very good, I say. It holds up to about 90 to 100 BBs, and it fits great into the shotgun and the pistol. And the holster, you have to kind of wear a belt, but it's great for the pistol as a backup because if you're in an intense war and you run out of ammo in your shotgun and you don't have time, the pistol's good to turn to. And the 500 pack of BBs, they're 12 grams, so they're not the best of BBs, but 500, it runs out pretty quick, so I'd suggest getting some more ammo if you want to play. So that's my review on the Crosman Stinger Swat Defender kit, and I would recommend it to you.